My name is Jaden Driver, and I'm 17. I've been going to this camp for about 12 years now. I remember when I first started, the one thing I would always look for is like older kids, because I love seeing them dunk and make 3-pointers and layups and, just do all types of crazy stuff on the court. So I was always looking for like relationships with like kids who are older than me. Being older now, for me, it's a change of pace because I really have to like give exactly what I got times 10. So like being the older kid is like, it's amazing. You finally kids finally look up to you and you get to be the one like showing them, what to do, how to be a good leader and whatnot. When you talk about the church and the camp, I think that even though the church is one that puts the camp together, I think the camp has a bigger influence on the church. I think the people of the church should definitely become more aggressive when it comes to advertising to the young ones, because it's important to, capture their attention. So like not only can we bond through like basketball, but we can like bond through Christ after the fact. So they don't go back to, doing what they were before, and so they can get a better relationship with God and like the people of the church.
My name is Joseph Adenawa, and I'm 18 years old. I started going to the basketball camp before first grade, so 6, 7 years old. I've grown a lot spiritually over these few years with the camp. Whenever we're praying, whenever we're having guest speakers, there are always guest speakers that talk about their experiences like with bad past and being able to find God. I've learned that, honestly, God is always there for you and will always be there for you in your life. I've never really won an award from the camp. And there was one time, maybe 3 or 4 years ago, that we brought our own cousins, and they played for 1 year and they won the Christian Athlete Award. It was kind of discouraging, I'm not gonna lie. It made me just say, forget basketball, but it also taught me that you shouldn't be discouraged about those things. You have to outwork those people for it. They deserve those awards, I'm not gonna lie. They definitely deserve those awards. And that showed me that I need to better myself.
What I really did enjoy is just seeing the high school kids being able to work with the younger kids and the patience and everything that they have with these younger kids. And they're really doing a good job. That was really impressive to me.
You're able to see that the smile that it brings on their face, and you're able to see that they really deserved it, that they really are gonna try harder to do even better next time. It's like seeing yourself win the award.